Hi guys, I'm Malvika. I'm a travel designer by profession and I come from India. I'm here to speak a few words about the Manifesting Miracles event that is actually happening live right now. It is a 3-day event that a whole lot of us have been enjoying, which is hosted by Master Shri Akarshana and his beautiful, beautiful team. The reason I joined this event was because I'm following Master since the past 2 months, but I knew that I needed a change in my current reality. Some aspects of my life are great, but some not. And I knew that I have to change my current reality to reach from here to there. And I think this has been one of the finest steps that I've taken in my whole life. I really wished I put all my money here instead of putting it in the degrees that I have. And I would really like to share something with the people who are listening to this. I think if you want even one aspect of your life to be changed, your current reality to shift even a little bit or even a lot, please take this event. It has so many aha moments. It has so many insights. It will teach you, if not 100, at least 10 things which you could do to make your life better, to be a better person, to have abundance in life, to have love in life, to have compassion, to have something that will really change the way you look at life and to live a life with purpose. It's extremely beautiful, guys. Please check it out and you won't regret. You won't regret. Thank you so much.